because we came to these waterfalls, Andres, and then you can go check out his channel. He does gaming. What's the level? I'll just put it in the description. We'll put it in the description. We just came up. There's more stairs down there, and then we're going up more to get to the big waterfall, which is called LT Flown, aka the Whistler. So, oh my god, these stairs are taking us forever. This is the view from the top. Look at that. Woo.
Wow.
I think there's a secret thing in the back. A cave. There's treasure back there. But too bad we can't go back there. More stairs. Still more stairs. We're going down. We're going to another waterfall. Down here. I keep looking down because I don't want to fall down these tight stairs. Oh gosh. I see it. It's over there. Holy moly, that one's huge. Oh, it's so misty. Okay. I don't want to break the camera. Oh my god. Look at that. Woo. Look at that. Oh, I need to get closer. Beep, 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 beep. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the water. It's kind of dirty because it just rained. Usually it's like super blue, but there's like a bunch of mud, but holy moly. And then up there. Here, we need to go up there. Oh, it's really misty. Look at it. Oh, it's misty. Okay, there. Oh my gosh, it looks so white. Yeah, this water is so cool. And then there's like stairs like up there. Oh, look it, there's a ladder. Oh, there's like cubes up there. See, look at the ladder. And then there's like the little boxes up there. Ah! You're vlogging, I'm vlogging, and let's vlog each other. Oh, the exposure. I'm vlogging through a normal phone. It's so beautiful out here. Look at the currents. So we could swim, but it's too dangerous to swim. Yeah, I know. I barely noticed. Okay, now we're going to the next waterfall that's even higher. That's like all the way up there. We're taking a break now. After climbing those stairs, sitting down. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, everybody's still coming up. And the little baby, goes the little baby. And we still got more way to go. I'll catch you guys when we get back up. Look at the waterfall. We're almost not there yet. We still need to climb all the way back up there. Oh my god. Wow.
Excuse me. I told you.
Why you burp?
I told you it was gonna burp.
Look at the waterfall. On camera it does no justice to how big and beautiful this thing looks. But we still need to go up more. Oh my gosh, there's so many stairs. I'll meet you guys when we get there. We have made it. Oh my gosh! We did it. We went through that whole canyon. There's still more to go. But I don't think I can do it. Oh my god. That looks beautiful. It's trees in my way. Look at that. I think it was worth it. Coming up. I was serious to see that. I've never seen a waterfall that big. I'm really tired. How about you? It's hot. We're going the extra mile and going up to there. Oh my gosh. It's getting so wet. Hold up, I need to put the camera away. Oh my god. It's so close. We made it. It's so wet. The camera's getting wet. Wait, I can't film the long way. Oh, look at the rainbow.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yay, Okay, so the zip line was really fun. Now we're gonna go change so we can get in the water over there. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I forgot to vlog last night, last night, because so we got home at the hotel really late. We were at the first hotel that we stayed at the first time when we got here. I think the last time I filmed was when I said that we were gonna get in the water. Turns out we didn't get in the water because it was about to storm and there was a bunch of current. It was too dangerous to get in. So yeah, but this is our last day here. So this will be the end of this vlog. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This is our last day here in Chiapas. We're here at the first hotel that we were at the first day that we were here, and then we still have a long time until we leave, but we still need to check out of the hotel and we have to return our car. So after that we might go shopping around the shops here, and then we're gonna head out to the airport. So we're leaving the van to get washed, and then we're gonna go to my aunt's house.
You didn't leave anything in there, right?
No. We're gonna leave our van. We're gonna go to our aunt's house so we can just chill until we go to the airport. And the lighting is super bad. There. Blanca. There's our bus. Paloma. Our minivan. Man, it's way cleaner. Because we went in the mud and it was all muddy. Now, we just need to drop this car off and we leave to the airport. But yeah. Okay, we're at the airport now, and we need to go find our gate. We're trying to hurry up because we're kind of late. Okay, where do we go? Okay, now we're getting ready to get board on the plane. We made it just in time. My mom and my sister are over there waiting because they get their own group 2 and we're group 4, so we have to wait until the end. And then we're gonna get on the plane, and then we're gonna go to Mexico, and then I'll catch you guys there because I don't know why they don't let you like film on the plane. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Everybody now just got off the line. I don't know why. Everybody just like started scrambling back to their seats. It's so weird. I think because they still haven't cleaned the plane yet and they just told us to sit down. So we gotta wait even more. Okay, this time for sure I'll see you guys in Mexico. Okay? We made it back to our homeland. Feels good to be home. Now we're gonna head back to our house, get it packed, and then rest because we have school tomorrow. Well, my sister does. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get home.